I'm gonna go on a little rant for beginners. If you're new to this, I would say 3 to 6 months in, or maybe a year. I'll consider a year new too, because time does fly. So if you're new to this, here's some advice I got for you, or here's some things that can help you show what exactly trading is, because this industry is brutal, man. There's a reason why the statistic 90% of traders do not succeed. There's a reason for that statistic. And to be honest, most of them are also just being guided the wrong way. They see all these forex gurus online risking a lot of money to make a lot of money, and that's the wrong way because that's not sustainable. The key is to have a sustainable not strategy. The key is to have a sustainable method in trading that will last you for a long time, and that's what this course teaches. But going back for some advice for beginners is that trading is a very painful journey. Trading is a very painful journey. Throughout this journey, you will face a lot of time. You will face moments where you will not feel good, where you will feel, where you will feel like something left your soul, because blowing accounts is not a good feeling, and you will 100%. I want you to listen closely. You will 100% blow an account or challenge. Actually, that's 99% because that 99.9%, you will 99.99% blow an account or challenge because you're new. You don't know how this game works, and it will take time. So let me get rid of this misconception. You will not be rich in trading. You will not be rich in trading quick. It will take years. It took me my fourth year to make six figures in trading. It took me 4 years, 4 years of freaking trials and tribulations. But then again, I never had a mentor. I mean, I did have a mentor, but I never had someone guiding me. Like, yeah, I could say ICT is my mentor. I can say Gene's my mentor, but I never had like that personal connection with them where they tell me, oh, yeah, just do this, do what I did to become successful. I've learned their strategy, but I've never had a blueprint or a path to follow behind them. Like ICT, we don't know how he started. We don't know if he started from zero, if he started with some money. Whereas me, I started with nothing. I started with zero, and I'll actually go over my journey in another video because I just want this video to be for beginners. So trading is a very painful journey. 99.9% of you will blow an account or challenge. You will not get rich quick. You will definitely not get rich quick or rich within the first year. Or maybe you won't even be profitable within the first year, because to become a great trader, to become a great profitable trader, it will take experience. Because no matter how much advice I give you throughout this course, your greed and impatience will take over. It will definitely take over. Greed is one of those emotions where it just happens. And after it happens, he's like, what just happened to me? I just let greed take over. I just let impatience take over. Only through blowing your accounts, through feeling that pain of being greedy, of because you were greedy, you blew your accounts and now you feel pain. So the next time you become greedy, your mind will tell you, oh, remember what happened last time? Do you want to feel that same pain again? If you want to feel that same pain, continue being greedy and impatient. So you learn through experience. And also the advice I give you, like I said before, you might not immediately take that advice, but it will be in the back of your head. And when you do an amateur mistake, that advice, you'll be like, oh, that's why he said that. Oh, I understand now. Oh, let me go over the course again and see what I can learn and see it from a new perspective since I have experience. Experience is everything in trading. For example, Trading in the Zone, when I first started, this was a very popular trading psychology book. And when I first read it, there were many great advice, but it never stuck to my mind because I'm like, okay, don't over leverage. Okay, okay, don't over leverage. Don't accept that every trade has an uncertain outcome. I'm just like, okay, but only through experience, only through years of experience. After reading that book the second time, when I read the book the second time, I'm like, oh my God, that makes so much sense. Oh my God, I can relate that why back to when I blew my account, and I know exactly why that happened. When you read it the second time with experience, it opens up a new eyes. Like your eyes are, it's like a new set of eyes. Like you read it differently the second time. So yeah, retrading the zone the first time and take that advice. You probably won't have it ingrained in your mind, but after but with time and experience, when you read it the second time, you will be shocked how different it was. This was from my own experience. You will definitely not be get rich quick or rich within the first year. And also, a lot of forex gurus online, they show them flipping accounts. That is not sustainable. That is not realistic. Do not fall for that trap. I've been the flipper, and what I mean by flip accounts, like I have like $1,000, and I'm here saying I'm gonna flip it to 10K or whatever. That's called flipping. I have been the flipper. I have been the high risk, high reward type of person, and every single time, yeah, I made money. So I get lucky. When I have a lucky streak, I'm like, yes, I made a lot of money. But eventually, I give all that money back to the market. That is not how to trade. They show that online. They show that on Instagram because it's great marketing, because it's interesting seeing, oh, he just flipped 1,000 to 10K. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I should join their course. Maybe I should join whatever they're selling. That's why they do it. Do not be fooled. After years and years of being in this industry, the only way to be profitable is through what I have explained in this course, which is basically what I've explained in this course, which is low risk, low reward, be ready for the losing streaks, be prepared, expect the best, but always be prepared for the worst. And you will learn as you go through the course. You will not be rich within a year, within the first year, or maybe the second year. It takes time. And also, the only way to gain money, to be profitable to a point where you can do this full time, is you need huge capital. And that's where prop firm comes in. You cannot be rich from, say, even if you have 10K and you put into your broker, you cannot have 100K a year. There's no way you will be able to 10x an account in a year. There is no way. That's unrealistic. What is a realistic goal is whatever capital you begin with, you are yearly making 20% to maybe 100% of it at most. But you will not be flipping accounts. That's not how to trade. That's gambling. Let me go over this. There is a big difference between trading and gambling. Majority of traders gamble. They do not trade. They rely on luck. When they have a lucky streak, they'll make lots of money and they'll show it off. But when that losing streak happens, which is inevitable, no matter how good you are of a trader, you will lose. You will have a losing streak, like meaning you will lose 3 to 5 trades in a row, no matter how good you are. But that's where, if you are a real trader, you have a system in place that helps you prepare for that losing streak. A real consistent trader, consistently profitable trader does not need to rely on luck. A real consistently profitable trader does not need to rely on luck. So, let's see. Have I gone over most of it? Trading is a very painful journey. 99% of you will blow an account. You will not get rich within the first or maybe the second year. It takes time. To become a great profitable trader, it will take experience. You need huge capital. That's where prop firms are a great way are the best way to gain capital. And also, you will grow as a person when you trade, when you become a trader. You will learn a lot about yourself, and you will learn what work needs to be done on yourself, what traits you need to work on. When I first started, like I started when I was 17. You think I was a hard worker, but I was not disciplined. I was not emotionally intelligent. I was none of the traits that I am right now that is needed to be a consistently profitable trader. I gained all of this through experience and through this journey of becoming a consistently profitable trader. So that's it for my rant on advice for beginners. If you're new, welcome to hell. It is gonna be very hard the first couple of years, but it's very hard. It's like hell, but in the end, it's worth it, man. Because the moment you master this skill set, it's like you own the world. You can print money out of nothing. You can make thousands of dollars within hours, and that is such a cool thing. But like I said, it takes a lot to earn that position. So good luck to all my beginners. Stay strong. Never give up, and this course will help you increase your chance of success.